Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home decor innovations. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in interior design, 3D wall panels. Specifically, the Art3dwallpanels Diamond 3D wall panels, hailed as one of the best wall panel wallpapers on the market. These panels aren't just your average wallpaper. They're a game changer for any space, be it your living room, bedroom, or office. Crafted from premium PVC, they're not only lightweight but also waterproof and fire-resistant, ensuring both durability and safety. Installing these panels is a breeze, no need for specialized knowledge. Simply plan your layout, and voila! You're your own designer, transforming any mundane wall into a masterpiece. What's truly remarkable is their versatility. Whether you're looking to create a striking feature wall or elevate your ceiling design, these panels offer endless possibilities. They're perfect for both residential and commercial spaces, adding a touch of modern elegance wherever they're placed. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home decor effortlessly, look no further than the Art3dwallpanels Diamond 3D wall panels. Visit the link in the description to get yours today and embark on your journey to a more stylish living space. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest home innovations. Until next time, stay inspired by design.